Good morning, class 5. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I think you all are fit and fine. Today, in our GK session, now I will discuss with you about two topics. They are rivers of India and miracles of nature. Okay, beta. So, first of all, now I am starting with the point rivers of India. See beta, in this page you have to complete the following tables where the empty boxes are there. Not everything, just look at the table, you will getting some boxes are vacant, you have to fill up them. Here in these boxes, in this table, 3 columns are given. First column is river, name of the river. Second column is where it originates, means its starting point, and third column it is given where it ends. So first I will start the name of the river. Number 1, the name of the river is Indus. Name of the river is Indus. It started from the lake Mansarovar and ends in Arabian Sea. It started from Lake Manasarovar, Tibet, and ends at Arabian Sea. Number 2, river name is Ganges. It is originated from Gangotri glaciers and ended with Bay of Bengal. It is started with Gangotri glaciers and ended on Bay of Bengal. Number 3, Yamuna. It is started from Yamunotri glaciers, and again I am saying you, it is started from Yamunotri glaciers and it ends on marges with the Ganga at Allahabad. All we know, children, Allahabad Sangam is there. In Sangam, 3 rivers has joined, Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. So Yamuna river is joined with Ganga in Allahabad. Now the number 4 river is Brahmaputra. It is originated from Himalayan glaciers, Tibet. It is originated from where it originates? It originates from Himalayan glaciers, Tibet, and merges with the Ganga, empties into Bay of Bengal. It merges with Ganga and empties into Bay of Bengal. Number 5, the river name is Bias. It originates from Rohtang Pass, Himachal Pradesh, and ends with merges with Sutlej in Punjab. It originated from Rohtang Pass, Himachal Pradesh, and it ends where it ends, merges with the river Sutlej in Punjab. Number 6, river name is Mahi. It is originated from Western Vindhya range, Madhya Pradesh. It is originated or started from Western Vindhya range from Madhya Pradesh and ended to Gulf of Khambat, Gujarat. It ended on Gulf of Khambat at Gujarat. Number 7, the river name is Mahanadi. It started from near Dhamtari district, Chhattisgarh, and it ends where? Ended at Bay of Bengal. The river is ended at Bay of Bengal. Now number 8, Krishna. The name of the river is Krishna. It is originated from Western Ghats, Maharashtra. It is started from Western Ghats, Maharashtra, and ended in Bay of Bengal. Now number 9. The river name is Tapti. 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 It is originated from Gwailghar Hills, Madhya Pradesh. It is originated from Gwailghar Hills, Madhya Pradesh, and ended at Arabian Sea. Number 10. The river name is Narmada, and it is originated from Maikala range. It is originated from Maikala range of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So Narmada is the river which is originated from Maikala range, Madhya Pradesh, and ended at Arabian Sea. Number 11. Name of the river is Godavari. Originated from Western Ghats, Maharashtra, and ended at Bay of Bengal. Now the last one. The river name is Kaveri. It is originated from Brahmagiri Hills, Karnataka. Kaveri is originated from Brahmagiri Hills, Karnataka, and it is ended at Bay of Bengal. Beta, now I am coming to the point, that is miracles of the nature. Okay, children? Just wait for 1 minute, beta. I am starting miracles of nature. Just wait for me. Besides providing us food and raw materials, some plants also have medicinal properties. Means some plants are there which gives us fruits, food, flowers, and other raw material. Along with this, these plants are having medicinal properties. Means these plants giving us very much remedies from different diseases. What are they? They are, number 1 is aloe vera. Aloe vera is believed to help people stay young. Means the people will look young. It has a positive effect on the skin. Aloe vera is very good for skin and skin related problem. The juice of this plant is used for making cosmetics and medicines for treating burns. Means juice of this plant is used in the cosmetic, the makeup we the girl, we the lady use, and medicines for treating burns. Aloe vera contains over 20 minerals which are essential for the human body. So it is rich in different minerals and they are very important for human bodies. Next is Indian ginseng. What is Indian ginseng? This is the scientific name, but normally we know it by the name of ashwagandha. It is a herb used for treating nervous disorder. So Ashwagandha is the thing that is used for human disorder of nervous or nervous system. Intestinal infection means stomach infection and leprosy also. All the parts of the plants including the roots, back, leaves, fruits and seeds are used for medicinal purposes. Means how important this plant is, you can imagine each and every plant of this are used as a medicine, used in medicine. Suppose roots, leaves, fruits, flowers, seeds, everything. This herb is grown in India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Now, the third point of discussion is sandalwood. Sandalwood means हम जिसे जानते हैं चंदन, is believed to have many medicinal properties. It is commonly used to cure various skin disorders. Means sandalwood is meant for various skin disorders, treat patients with jaundice and soothe burning sensation. Means the patient who is having jaundice problem, disease the name jaundice, can be treated with sandalwood, and this can be used to reduce the burning sensation of the body. Now is Indian gooseberry. It is also the scientific name. Actually the thing is amla. We are very much known to this fruit. It is a rich source of vitamin C. It eases hyperacidity and used as a natural laxative also. So when stomach is not clear, so that time we use as a laxative amla, and it is a one more time it can be used as a medicine, or we can use it, we can eat it for in case of we are having hyperacidity. It also helps to get rid of cough and cold. So children, find out one thing and how many uses. Next is wild turmeric, that is haldi. It is a medicinal herb with special antibiotic and antiseptic properties. हल्दी बहुत काम की चीज़ है. It is having antibiotic as well as antiseptic properties. According to the Chinese, it is believed to prevent and cure cancer. So the disease like cancer can be cured with the help of haldi or turmeric. And next is cinnamon. दालचीनी, जिसको हम बोलते हैं दालचीनी, is a spice that we are all familiar with when it comes to desserts and pastries. ये यूज़ होता है for the dishes like desserts and pastries जो हम खाते हैं, but it is also believed to have medicinal properties. It is used to treat patient with bronchitis and asthma. So not only it is given in the food desserts to make taste, it is having medicinal properties to prevent the disease like bronchitis and asthma. Now it is the quiz time. We will do these questions. Of our 4 systems of medicine, Ayurveda, Allopathy, Unani and Siddha, Which system does not entirely depend on the medicinal properties of plant? The allopathy system does not believe in the medicinal properties of the plant. That means the answer will be allopathy. Now, match the medicinal plants with the diseases they are commonly used to treat by writing the correct answer option in the given boxes. So beta, here I will say the plant name as well as the remedy of that. Directly I will say the plant name and the remedy associated with it. Suppose the plant name is Vringaraj and the remedy for it is we use it for hair loss. Second is Amla. We all know Amla is a very rich source of vitamin C, and with lack of vitamin C, if we are having lacking of vitamin C in our body, what disease we occur? We occur scurvy. So Amla is the fruit used for the remedy of scurvy. Tulsi is a herb which is used as a medicine for cough and cold. So Tulsi is a medicine, we used it for cough and cold. Now it is Isabgul. Isabgul is a plant used for the remedy of the constipation, disease of constipation. So Isabgul is used for the remedy, or we can use as a remedy of constipation. Neem. Neem is a plant which we use as a remedy for skin diseases. Neem is a plant which we use as a remedy for skin diseases. And now the last one is clove. The clove is a plant and which is having a fruit. छोटा छोटा सा होता है क्लोव. You have seen it. Long, जिसको बोलते हैं long. Long is used for toothache. Okay children, this much is for today's session. In tomorrow's session, we will start along with a new topic. Till then, bye children, stay safe.